Hey.
Hey!
Oof. What's up? Oh no. I'm too high. Today we're gonna turn into a supermodel. So we did the supermodel brows. I did a tutorial on that, and now we're gonna be doing supermodel makeup. This is inspired by Sydney J. Harper. Let me double check if that is her name. Yes. So if you wanna look, what the is this shadow? You see, I need to figure out these damn lights. I don't know if I should get like a soft box or something. If you guys can hear a heater in the background, I'm sorry. It's cold as fuck in my room. Woke up this morning, rinsed my face with water because I washed my face last night. I used the Fresh Kombucha cleansing treatment as a little toner. Then I used the Pharmacy Honey Grail oil. I used my Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base and my Algenist Complete Eye Renew Balm. You know, when it comes to supermodel skin, your skin needs to be on point, so make sure you're doing your skincare. And also, when I was doing my skincare, I used my rose quartz roller. This is a product that really helps penetrate your products into the pores a lot deeper. It helps with firming and fine lines and wrinkles. So I really suggest that. Even though I don't use it, I started using it again because it does make a full difference. Like when I was on it with my skincare, I was looking flawless, but right now I'm looking like an old bitch. Foundation we're gonna use, no, oh my god, no, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So I got a new primer today. Let me know if you guys want a Sephora. Let me know if you guys want a Sephora haul. I think I'm gonna just do one. I think I'm gonna just do one after this. So, ooh, I'm so excited to try this. This is the One Size Secret Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. I said in my other video that I've been wanting to try this, and I got it. It wasn't sent to me. I bought this with my own money. Damn, I hope there wasn't any like type of directions. Let me see. This is very lightweight. It's mattifying. It feels water-like it has a watery consistency. Let's see, I'm gonna put a little extra on my lash lines because those are my problem areas. I'm really looking forward to getting filler there. Oh my god, you guys, I'm gonna do something, but I can't tell y'all yet. I mean, I can, but I don't know how I feel about it right now. Foundation of the day is NARS Natural Radiant in Caracas. And we're gonna mix a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is in the shade number 6. So in this video or picture that I've seen of her skin is a natural finish. She is very much glammed, but naturally. So there's glam so there's like neutral glam, and then there's natural glam. Blend that out with a Sigma flat kabuki brush. I always forget to put my damn color corrector right here. I don't know why I do that. Don't get high and do your makeup. You guys, so I want to do a makeup class, right? I want to do oh my god, I've been wanting to do a makeup class since last year March, but then Corona happened, right? So obviously I'm gonna maneuver this to online. It's more convenient, it's safer, and it's something that you always have in the palm of your hand. I don't want to do like a Zoom type of class because I want it to be very good quality. So I would want to make a very in-depth video on how to do your makeup, like an everyday makeup, or if you guys request like what kind of look you want to learn. I just don't really know like how much to charge, and I don't know how much to charge, and I don't know like what website to use. Yeah, I don't know what website to use to put up my video so you guys can like watch every time. You can like log in and watch the video if you ever forget something. See, because I go to Zoom video, it's like one and done. Like that's when you learn. That's it. You just learn during that time that you're on the Zoom meeting, but you have this video forever. I want to go over everything with a sponge. To do that, I'm gonna add some of my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless filter in 6.5. Yeah, 6.5 to have this all over the face, because I want to blend everything out with the beauty blender, but I don't want to go in with just a clean beauty blender because it's gonna pick up a lot of my product. I don't want to go. I'm gonna shut the fuck up. NARS concealer, creamy concealer in caramel. You want to let this dry for a little bit. We're going to use this brush from Sigma, the F77. Love this brush. We're going to use the Fenty Chocolate Cream Contour. We're going with the foundation brush that I used. Now we're gonna blend our concealer with a Bobbi Brown full coverage touch-up brush. We're gonna move on to blush. I'm gonna go with something a little more on the brown side. I don't want to add too much color since we are going to be doing a glossy red lip. That glossy red lip, I feel like that's enough drama. So I'm gonna use Fenty Rose Latte blush. Next, we're gonna put some highlight on. I'm using the NARS Orgasm highlighter. It's like a loose powder. I use it all the time. I used to use it all the time. I haven't really been into highlight, but if you're gonna go for like a supermodel look, you have to have some type of glow. Okay, so we're just gonna set under the eyes. I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder in honey. I am gonna bake the tiniest bit, and to bake I'm gonna use my lighter Laura Mercier translucent powder, not with the honey, just to give myself a little bit of a highlight. So I'm not gonna go straight in with bronzer. I'm gonna go in with a darker translucent powder, and I'm gonna be trying out the One Size powder puff. I got a new one because my Tati Beauty one ripped. In the areas where I would bronze, I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier in medium deep. I'm using my Pamograph blurring under eye powder in medium. This is gonna be for under my eyes with a Real Techniques setting brush. Oh my god, I forgot to go to my nose. Now we're gonna bronze the face. Thank god, I'm looking like a ghost. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in number 3. This is a Sigma 05 F05. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm gonna use my Biba palette. So first we're gonna work with, I want to use a new brush that I bought. I bought a Huda beauty brush. I bought this because I've been looking for brushes with this shape. It's a double-sided and it's like hard for me to find some. It's like a Mikasa E230. Like, I can't find a brush like that, but this is the Huda Beauty Smoke and Smudge. I want to try this out to see how it works. I'm going into that tar shade from the Natasha Denona palette. I will show you guys in a second. It's exactly does what it says it is. Love it. This color, oh my god, I'm so sorry. This is not the color Tar. These eyeshadows are all mixed up because I dropped it, okay? I'm gonna fix it. Not today. I'm gonna use a Morphe M514. I'm gonna use my bronzer in number 3. I want to keep things close to my skin tone. I'm gonna go with a tiny bit of warmth just so it won't look so gray, but I'm just gonna focus it right here in the outer corner. It's a terracotta shade from the Biba palette. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Looks like that. We're gonna use NARS Mambo liner and we're gonna line everything. The waterline. We're gonna put on some eyeshadow on the lid. I'm going with a bone color on the lid first. I learned this from Kevin Long to make the eyeshadow you actually want to put on top pop. So this is a mustard color that I'm putting on top of that. Going with your brown liner again, and you're gonna line your lash line. And she smokes it out with a little bit of shadow, I believe. Just a tiny bit. You know how in like America's Next Top Model, like they will go do like the Go Seas or something? This is a type of look that supermodels do, like very natural, not doing all the baking and all that stuff, but the time that they do have, it's just, it looks something like this, just very natural, something that enhances your features. She also lines the waterline, and it's good to use a brown liner. It doesn't look as harsh as a black one. Just take a dark brown, any dark brown shadow that you prefer. I'm not gonna go in with a very light highlight. I'm gonna go with something more on the bronzy side. Yeah. What I used on my inner corners just now was this shade right here. The colors on my lid, the first one was this bone, and then I used this mustard color on top. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty curl length volume. I don't know what it's called, but there's a curling lengthening side, and then there's like a volume side. I'm just gonna apply this to put on some lashes. If you guys want to know how to apply lashes, go on to my Instagram and watch my IGTV on how to apply false lashes, and I will be right back to show you guys the lip. Alright, so I can't find any of my lip liners. I'm gonna just use my NARS eyeliner in Mambo again. The next color I'm gonna go in with is Underdog from Fenty Beauty. Just around where I put the liner. So this is Fenty Fruit Snacks, and that liquid lipstick that I use, it was Anastasia Seraphine liquid lipstick. Oh, it's dark as fuck. I kind of like the way it looks. Let me add a little extra shine. To top it off, I'm gonna use my Shiseido Crystal Lip Gloss. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. You are now a supermodel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys love the look, subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.